Take Time for Your Life by Cheryl Richardson. I have grappled with the same issues my clients are dealing with. I have worked ridiculous hours, built a successful business, made plenty of mistakes in relationships, and paid little attention to my health. Over the last several years, I have used the process in this book to improve my own life. I know it works. Achievement is more meaningful when it springs from a base of physical, emotional, and spiritual well being. Richardson identified the 7 common obstacles that these people seem to face in living their best life. Number 1, they generally have difficulty putting themselves first. Number 2, their schedule does not reflect their priorities. Number 3, they feel drained by certain people or things. Number 4, they feel trapped for monetary reasons. Number 5, they are living on adrenaline. Number 6, they don't have a supportive community in their life. Number 7, their spiritual well-being comes last. Author mentioned one woman, for instance, who tried leaving work by 5:30 p.m. each day and found to her surprise that her business did not fall apart. She achieved the same amount through greater focus and delegation. In his book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Stephen Covey called this sharpen the saw. Without frequent sharpening, you become blunt in a productivity case and lose the ability to connect with the people you love and influence those you work with. One of the many ways to regain balance is to create what Richardson called absolute yes list, a ranking of what you feel are the most important aspects of your life. The gift of Take Time for Your Life. Through it, hundreds of ideas for self-care is the feeling that you don't have to be hurried along by circumstances. You can gain control of your life simply by making more conscious decisions.